I think we know why it is incredible. Jamaica is incredible. And I think we know that we have many people that are incredibly talented. So we have talented individuals. This lady beside me is no different. So we are joined by self-taught artist Shanila Ellington to discuss. I mean, sometimes I vex with these people, folks, because I can't do nothing at all. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, thanks for having me.
These look really good. But when you say self-taught, so you just get up one day, take up a pencil and say, me, I'll start draw?
Well, no, I did visual arts in high school and that's where my art journey started. But after high school, I started watching YouTube videos, so that's where I developed my skill for art.
That was easy to do?
It wasn't easy. No, it's
Yeah.
not. But because I already had the passion for it,
Right.
I guess that's how it came along.
How much picture you spoiled before you realize, no, man, I like
whole
it.
lot.
Plenty.
A whole lot.
But just portraits you do? You do on the
Yes.
tree and flower and all. Whoops.
Well,
Yeah, I start out that one. Yeah, you do on the trees and flowers and stuff, just portraits?
I'm thinking of starting to do painting, still life, like flowers, buildings, so on and so forth.
Which,
Yes.
that would be easier than this?
Well, painting is not easier than drawing, but it's more free. It's more free.
Okay, so what you do, you just get a picture of these people and you just put it beside them and just draw? Or you...
Yes, so I get the photograph of them. I change it from colored to black and white in order to get it like this. And then I just start working.
In preparing for this, I read, I aim to achieve hyperrealism self-portraits. What that mean, please?
Hyperrealism is to get the exact figure of the person. So it will be looking at a drawing like this, but it will be like a photograph of the person.
Oh, so when you look at it, you can't tell
You
whether
can't
it's...
tell if it's a drawing or a photograph.
Why? Have you achieved that?
Well, I haven't achieved it as yet. I'm still working. Still working.
How long you think that would take you to achieve? And what you need to do? Just more drawings?
Just more practicing.
Okay.
Get the right tools, the right mediums, and I'm
Yeah,
here.
and then you would... Well, all I'm seeing here is black and white. You don't do...
Yes, I do black and white. So it's charcoal and graphite pencils.
So you don't do colored
No,
painting?
colored, no.
Why? Or
As
why
I
not?
said, I'm actually going to venture off into painting,
Okay.
but not colored drawings.
The other thing I noticed, it said, since COVID, commission art has been my only source of income.
Yes.
So somebody asked you to do something is what you mean by commission
So
art?
last year, October, I thought, I'm good at drawing and I'm so passionate about it and I'm here not working. Why not just start my own business? So I started Shan Art and Craft on Instagram. So persons would say, hey, I love your art. Can you do a portrait of me? So they'll send me a photograph.
Okay, so that's what you mean by commission.
Yes.
Someone asks you to do something and you
Yes.
do it. I've been looking all around the studio from morning. Because I hope some house is never somewhere. And I know me don't see never. Me never start and take it and gone. But I look in and I don't look yet. You also said you need help to pursue your career on the right art mediums and supplies.
Yes.
So what do you need and how are you going to get them? And I suspect these things are pretty expensive.
Yes, they are.
So what you need?
To get the right quality art supplies, most of them will be, well, I have to get them online. So to get them shipped here, it's a bit costly.
Okay.
Pursuing my art career, I wish to become a personal artist.
What do you mean by personal artist? So I can call you and say, come
Yes.
to my...
And do a personal drawing of you.
So that's why you never do it, come in never call you?
No, we can arrange that
Aye.
level.
Oy, 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 I like that.
Yes.
Why? I really like what I'm seeing. Obviously, I have a whole lot of talent.
Yeah.
But how long will it take you to be where you really want to be? How long? And I mean, this is going to be costly, wouldn't it?
Yes, it is costly. How long will it take? Drawing, I would say maybe 3-4 years.
Okay.
But it is a growing thing. So it's not just I'm here today, so I have accomplished everything. It's where you have to grow from one step to the next. So even I'm here now, I would like to go a bit further in it.
Right.
Yes.
How long one of these would take and how much you sell them for? You sell them, right?
Yes, I do. It depends on the detail on the artwork. It will take me like 4 or 5 days, depends. Some artwork may take a week plus.
So like me have plenty detail about 2 months, man. I take look on the detail.
Less than 2 months.
Look on, me have plenty detail, you know. Don't play with me, you know. I like them. I like them.
Thank
So
you.
where can people reach you if they want to commission something or just to buy one of what they've seen so far? Where can they get to?
So I can be reached at Shan Art and Craft on Instagram. That's Shan_Art and Craft. I can also be reached. You can send me an email. It's vellington71@gmail.com.
Okay.
Or you can just send me a WhatsApp. It's 884-3558.
Okay. You drawing it big time, huh?
Well, not as yet. It's in the making.
So you know, draw like the Prime Minister and them people. Like.
No, I haven't.
No, you must draw and then call them and say, Prime Minister, I have a picture and you have to pay for it. Because I pay for mine. If it look like me.
It will.
It will?
It will.
I'm impressed. I like your stuff.
Thank
I really
you.
like your stuff. And good work. And I hope you will get into your painting and then you could do your stuff, right?
Just before I go, I would like to mention a few months back, a group of us artists came together and created this WhatsApp group. It's called Creative Pads. So it's where Creative Pad.
Pads.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's where we share our artwork with each other and help to, move from one level
And you
to the
kind
next.
of critique each other and
Yes, and we
stuff?
critique each other.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
I like that. Beautiful. Great to meet you.
Yes.
Look after yourself. God bless.
It's a pleasure being here.
Yeah, man. Self-taught artist, Shanila Ellington. All right. What's next? Still to come.